today I will take you through my monthly reset routine. It's a day basically dedicated for cleaning, organizing, self-care, mindfulness, and all of those sort of things. It's basically something that sets the tone for the entire month. So first things first, I'm going to strip out my bedsheet. Prioritizing health is a non-negotiable. I'm at the gym for a quick strength training session. It's important to start the month right. No matter how lazy you feel, get up and force yourself because no one else is going to do that. My stomach's growling, so it's time for a quick lunch break. I'm having rice, dal. This is my comfort food and nothing beats this. I'm going to take you through my journal prompts. List down all the experiences, emotions, and opportunities you want to attract. In here, you could list down any habits, beliefs that no longer serve you. In here, I like to highlight the areas for personal growth, basically where you would like to focus all your energy and attention on. Having a monthly calendar spread to note down important dates, deadlines, events is so helpful. The next page we have habit tracker, things you could do to stretch your mind. For me, it's listening to any podcast and reading a book. Things you could do to take care of your body. It could be going to the gym, doing yoga. Then we move on to the soul. What's your way to better your soul? Maybe journaling, meditation, anything that works for you. Period tracker, so important of course, and mood tracker. The next page is all about your to-do list and finance, so which I will definitely take my time to fill out. And finally, the page where I plan my days and my week. I am going to cook dinner tonight. It is a little early, it's around 4:30ish, but the thing is that I prefer to have my dinner after I have just showered, and after I've showered, I do not actually prefer to do any sort of work, let it be cleaning out the kitchen or cooking, nothing of that sort. And this is something that I prefer and I have been following. Like, I prefer just relaxing after I've eaten, so this is like the best time to actually finish off cooking. I do have a headache right now. I did book an appointment for a head massage. The salon is basically in my building, so I'm literally going to go this way. I'm not going to actually put in any efforts to change and all of that because it's just a head massage. Was something else. There is something so invigorating about spearmint, eucalyptus, and basically everything in that family. Whenever I feel low, or especially like today, had a headache, using scents like eucalyptus soothe my mind. It's insane how much I like that scent. Using this face mask from Access-Y, I absolutely love this face pack. It feels so soothing on my skin. Also, I did keep this in my fridge for just a little time and it feels super refreshing as well. I would normally go in with a clay mask or an exfoliating peel, but tonight I was just not feeling it. I wanted to go in with something more soothing and relaxing, and this is just that. I'm going to relax and keep this on for around 20 minutes. I'm such a huge fan of the cosrx snail mucin. This one it's such an amazing product. I absolutely love it. I don't think there's anything better than this snail mucin in the market, and I don't think I would actually stop using this. This is literally my second bottle and I'm almost like getting out of it, so I think I'm definitely going to repurchase one more. If you guys have tried this, you guys know what I'm talking about, and if you haven't, you need to try this. I absolutely love the way this hydrates my skin and keeps it all glowy and nourished. It's insane. I'm going to be using the numbuzin deep sleep mask serum. This one is again a beautiful nighttime serum. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid as well, so it's basically great if you are a beginner. I love using this serum in my nighttime skincare routine since it leaves me with this most natural radiance and glowy skin. So I'm all in for these kind of products that have good ingredients, leave me feeling all nourished and moisturized and glowy. So if this is something that you are looking for, you could try this one out. To moisturize, I'm going in with my go-to moisturizer these days, which is from Simple. Products down to your neck, because this is the area that gets wrinkled up like the first. You definitely do not want that. I'm done with my nighttime skincare routine. It feels good, but I need to go and blow dry my hair now because I definitely don't want to sleep with wet hair. Finally, I like to wind down with some mindfulness or meditation. I have been trying to do mindfulness on a daily basis, like just for 5 minutes, but sometimes I just kind of miss it. And this month, I really want to go around with it. Like I would really want to stick to at least 5 minutes. That's what I'm starting with, because I do not want to actually go right up to 10 minutes or 20 minutes and then not do it altogether. Like I did mention before, I like to wind down by practicing mindfulness. Taking time to breathe deeply and letting go of worry, stress is so essential. This is something I'm working on a daily basis. We often tend to ignore these small little things that are so beneficial for our overall well-being. And starting the month with this sets the right tone for the rest of the month. With that said, that's a wrap on my reset routine. I hope you guys took something good from this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!